about being an educator, man, even being a student, you know, you have certain obligations that you gotta fill, whether it be homework, from a teacher's perspective, whether it be grading. It is our job to make sure that our kids not only get the grade that they're supposed to get, but it's our job to educate them in ways that they're able to understand. So when it comes to me being a teacher, I don't make no excuses, I just do it.
What should a teacher always do?
A teacher should always be patient with the kids. I can just tell that from the experience of being in the classroom and just visualizing it happening to the kids as well. You know, they don't take the time to treat the kids like we're equal. You think a kid is smaller than you in any facet of life when you're teaching them. And it's like they have emotions. They can tell your frequencies, whether it's positive or negative. So you definitely want to get tapped in and be patient with the kids and listen to them.
What should a teacher always do?
Sister Seraiah, question for you. I said, what should a teacher always do? We might have to make that song. I feel like a teacher, a teacher should always just acknowledge where the person is in the moment. So like, how you doing before anything starts? You know what I'm saying? Like even if this is if it's a how you doing circle, because like you know, like they say, you just never know what they're seeing, where they're coming home from. You know, they could be just leaving their house from the argument with their parents. You just never know if they eat today. You know, so just how you doing? You know, and go the extra mile because you will want the same thing for you.
What should a teacher always do?
A teacher should always learn. If you don't bring anything new to the classroom, then if you have the same lesson plans for 15 years, it's going to be boring for you, it's going to be boring for the students. So a teacher should always be learning every day so that way they know that you care about them, that you're bringing something new to them. Because they're youngins. Like, I learn from them all the time. I say, what's the newest song? So I can learn what the newest song is today. Like, tomorrow I can play it. They're like, oh.